Hey guys, this is Jonathan and I'm a personal trainer at the Sam Houston Rec Center. And in this Trainer Tip Tuesday video, we're gonna be going over the Shrug Machine and what exercises can be done with it. This machine can work your quads, glutes, and traps when you switch it into the shrug portion of it. To set it up for the squat portion of it, you wanna get your feet about shoulder width apart, get nice and low, making sure your butt is far enough back so that way you're not standing too far forward in it. And then to perform a nice simple squat, make sure your knees are pointed outwards, going all the way down and then back up. The setup for the Bulgarian split squat, you want one foot just about in the same position as it would be if you're doing a normal squat, and then you'll put your back foot on the crossbar that's behind you, and then basically just perform a one-legged squat with your back leg up, and that is the Bulgarian split squat. The setup for the shrug portion of it, all you have to do is get your feet situated as if you were going to perform a squat, stand up with the machine in your hands, and then just shrug your shoulders up to your ears and back down, making sure you control it and it's not violent momentum. So this is a plate-loaded machine, so you can use 45-pound plates, 10, 20, 35s, whatever you wish and whatever we provide here. There are two different sets of options that you can place the weights. There's a higher portion and a lower portion peg on here. The higher portion, when you get to the top of the movement, it's gonna feel more behind you, and when the weight is on the lower peg, it's gonna feel closer to your body and lower to the ground as you're at the top of the movement. Both feel very different when you're performing your exercise, so try both and choose what's best for you. A couple of safety precautions to be aware of while using this machine is to make sure that you're keeping body parts and personal belongings out of the moving parts of this machine, because you can damage the machine, your belongings, or your body when you perform some of these exercises. Also, to keep your chest upright and your back not rounded while performing the squat and the lunge portion, and then to make sure you keep your knees pointed outwards and don't let them cave in when squatting or lunging, so we avoid ankle, knee, or hip injuries. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, you can email them to fitness@shsu.edu or visit our website for more information.